Here in this video, Kurt on the LifterLMS team was inspired by our other video about how to vibe code a new add-on plugin for LifterLMS using Claude. So he did it himself to build a custom time tracking feature for LifterLMS. He shares his experience. By the way, there is an actual native LifterLMS time tracking feature, which is about to be released. It's currently in final testing right now, but I still wanted to share this video to show you how non-developers can vibe code plugins for WordPress to extend their website without having to hire a developer.
Hey, I was inspired as a teammate with LifterLMS following Chris's lead with that video on vibe coding with Claude to make an add-on. His add-on was for social proof. And so I did a quick search with my Claude and I said, okay, what are some things that I could make with you, right, for add-ons? And we made a list of bullets and things that we would like to attack. And so the first thing that I decided to vibe code is I went into courses and I said, hey, what if I could have a timer, a cumulative timer for the courses and the lessons? And so I'm just playing here, folks. I'm not trying to brag or make something, right? I just wanted to like try it. So if we look here, your time in the course is 1:26. So that's Jane Thompson. Jane Thompson is enrolled and logged in. So her time in the course is 1:26. I followed the lead that Chris had made. So I had the system make me a block that I could add to each lesson. So I add that lesson in right here. So time in lesson, 1:32, 1:34. You'll notice if I go off the tab and I do something off tab, it stops the timer. So it only counts when you're actively on the tab. So we start back over at 1:36. So there we go. Once I add the block to the lesson, it adds the block to the course. So if we go back to the course, we'll see that that block is updating. My time now is 1:48. So that's the user experience. So the user experience is that. Now, if I go into the dashboard and I go to reporting, I wanted to have it so that the reporting would show that for the admins. And so if we take a look at our list of students, we see here is Jane Thompson and her cumulative time is 1:48. And then I also went into courses and had it create a timer, a cumulative timer for each course based on that student's participation. So if I go to Jane Thompson and I click on courses, it's going to show a list of all of her courses and her cumulative time there. And then instead of having it be blank, you'll notice if we go back to students, instead of it just being like blank, it says 0.00, right? So 0 activity in the courses rather than a blank screen. So that's what I did so far. The other thing I wanted it to do was to add that timer to the export. I didn't test this yet, so let's see if this actually works. I'm just going to save this to the desktop. And let's open that up and see if it adds the timer to. I'm not really good at using this yet. We want to go to Jane. So Jane Thompson is there, right? So let's, not that. I'm still getting used to using a Mac and moving things around on the screen. So Jane Thompson, time, course, phone, canceled, time. There it is. Total training time, 1:48. So it worked on the export too. All right. I'm not a developer. I don't even know if I want to be a developer. I wanted to try what Chris was doing, and I wanted to make sure I could explain it to people if they ask on these Ask Me Anything call and office hours calls, because when we put out these videos, it gets people thinking they can do stuff. One point that I would like to mention, if I'm talking to clients like directly on the Ask Me Anything call or on office hours, I'm going to encourage them to experiment in staging and not on production sites. Like this is a demo site, but I wouldn't recommend this kind of, playing around on a production site that was making money. I would do it in staging first and then bring the changes over to production. So maybe that's something we should include in some of our tutorials and videos. All right. That's it for me. I'll talk to you guys later.